Hey guys, Benny here, back in the tech support office. And we've got a whole range of different inverters here at Projecta, different sizes and different capacities for different applications. Today we're looking at the IP2000, Projecta's 12 volt, 2000 watt Intelli-Wave Pure Sine Inverter. Now you might have heard about Pure Sine Wave and modified sine wave inverters before, but that's a story for another day. So if you're interested in that, make sure you follow and check out the links in the description to find out more. Every inverter in the Intelli-Wave range features a bunch of class-leading features, and the IP2000 is no different. Now, one cool feature is this awesome remote control display. Now this is great if you want to mount your inverter out of sight. This display will still let you monitor the performance and power supply levels of the inverter. It also comes with pre-cut, pre-terminated cables for ease of installation and cable terminal covers for when you whack them on the back. And now onto the big boy. It's constructed from extruded aluminium, which means it's dustproof, shockproof, and it's conformal coated to protect against the elements. It's got exceptional peak power performance. Now they're not just buzzwords, it's going to provide 200% of its capacity for 3 seconds and 140% of its capacity for another 3 minutes, allowing this thing to run the demanding appliances like fridges, microwaves, kettles, coffee machines, irons, all the things that make your home away from home feel more like, well, home. One thing that makes the IP2000 stand out above the rest is the automatic AC transfer switch. Now this automatic switch ensures a smooth transfer between mains power and battery power. The automatic changeover function eliminates the need to be switching AC plugs or changing dials back between one and the other power source. To ensure a continuous flow of power for the appliance when switching to mains power supply, the IP2000 has been engineered to wait 3 seconds for the power to be steady before switching in a super fast 20 millisecond or 0.02 seconds changeover. Now this guarantees no interruption when running your appliances. For example, your computers won't reboot and your TVs won't switch off. Now this brilliant little switch will detect if there's an earth leakage and automatically cut power to all the sockets and protect against electrocution, which I'm sure you can agree is a bloody good thing. And speaking of bloody good things, the next thing I want to point out is this eco mode. When power is not being drawn from the inverter, it will automatically switch into eco mode, reducing your power consumption and extending your battery runtime. And if we spin him around, we'll see it's got the fan at the back here that helps protect against over temperature. And because 240 volt isn't something you want to mess with, it's got all the safety bells and whistles. It's fully electrically isolated, equipotentially bonded, and it's got input voltage protection. Reliability, convenience, safety, and smarts. Those are just some of the things that come in the box with every Projecta IP2000, our most powerful 12 volt pure sine wave inverter. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the links in the description below to find out more about Projecta and the awesome gear we make. Now, if you learned something from this video, give it a like. And if there's any questions you want answered, just put them in the comments below. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and come and say good day in the Projecta Switched On Tech Talk group. I'll see you next time, guys.